How's it going, everybody? This is Bang Bang Bo, and I have another small little thing that I wanted to review for you guys. This is just a skull bead with a cigar sticking out of his mouth. I really like this. I got it because I was gonna make a ParaCord bead thing and put it on a knife for my uncle and a couple other people who I enjoy having cigars with, just as a cool little gift, like a handmade, thoughtful gift type of deal. Definitely wide enough to fit your ParaCord through. I obviously haven't gotten around to it. This is a key to my cigar box. I figured it was kind of, it doesn't match, but I could probably spray paint it gold or something. But this is a super short review. There's really not a whole lot to say about it. It feels like some kind of metal. Well, it's definitely metal. I don't know what kind of metal. But that's that. I'll just do a quick wrap around. I'll leave a link in the description below. It'll be the same link that I ordered from. I think it should be less than $1. I'm not positive. Don't quote me on it. You'll see it if you click on it. But definitely recommend this. I got a couple of them, and I'm going to be making the ParaCord knives and all that. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see how it turns out. Be happy to share that with you guys. Thanks, and have a good one.